Okay, it is now recording. So just as a quick recap, notice that since cosine's the x-coordinate, and let me just kind of re-explain that real quick for sake of the recording. If I go counterclockwise or if I go clockwise, the x-coordinates wind up the same. So that's why cosine and secant are both even functions. On the other hand, if I look at the y-coordinates, if I go clockwise or counterclockwise versus going clockwise, here the y is negative what it is down there. So that's why sine is odd. And then tangent, since it's y over x, well, the y changes, but the x doesn't. So overall, it still is negative. Cool. Everybody happy with that? Yay. Everybody's happy because Austin does not count. I don't know. I just feel like picking on you today, Austin. I don't know why. I've called you Austin. Why did I call you Austin? I have drank 2 Dr. Peppers this morning. Wow. I was picking on Angel, but in that moment, I really thought his name was Austin. Okay. And then, if I didn't, I wouldn't be conscious right now. Let me go ahead and, since the next couple questions are about the periodic stuff, let me go ahead and just remind you of that, which we already did the other day. But cosine, sine. Yes.
So you drink Dr. Pepper every morning? Pizza every day for lunch?
I do eat pizza every day for lunch. I don't drink Dr. Pepper every morning, but on mornings when I can't move, I do. So, these guys are all periodic with period 2 pi. So again, that means if I plug in a number plus 2 pi, nothing happens. You get the same thing. Right? On the other hand, tangent and cotangent. Yeah, we talked about this the other day. But
I know we talked about this.
They have period pi. So tangent of theta plus pi is tangent of theta. And again, the reason for that is, if you look at the unit circle, like tangent is supposed to be the slope, right? Well, to get the same x and y coordinates for sine and cosine, you have to go all the way around to get the same x and y. So you need the 2 pi for sine and cosine. But if you just want the same slope, you go halfway around and you get the same slope. So that's why tangent is periodic period pi. Okay. So 17 over 4. 17 over 4 is 4 1/4. So that's 4 pi and another fourth. Yes. So it's going to wind up being the same as pi over 4, right? That's just 2 rotations past the pi over 4. So it's in this corner, which is root 2 over 2. Sine is y, yes. Yeah, actually they're both square root 2 over 2 in this particular case, but yes, it is root 2 over 2 because the y is root 2 over 2. 17 pi over 4, again, it's in the exact same spot on the circle. So it's going to also be root 2 over 2. All right, so you do realize, okay, one thing, it's due Tuesday. And the other thing, I give you a full week to do them. That way it's actually not very hard to get it done. I mean, just do it a little
I
while.
just got my Wi-Fi board and then they like
Yeah.
for everyone.
You do know you can go to the library even if it doesn't work in
The
there.
library, so far, so cold. There's one thing in the class.
Do you want some cheese with your wine?
No, and then at the library, yeah, the basketball, the baseball, and all of the.
That's all we do. If I go to the library, honestly,